If you're looking to make extra cash online, you might have heard of Survey Junkie. It's a popular survey site where you get paid to share your opinion through quick polls, product feedback, or video responses. And the good news? Yes, Survey Junkie is 100% legit. People do get paid, and it's one of the more trusted names in the survey game. You sign up for free, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys based on your interests. But here's the deal. You won't get rich. Most surveys pay just a few cents to a couple bucks. But unlike fake apps, Survey Junkie actually pays out through PayPal or gift cards, fast and reliably. Also, the app is easy to use, and new surveys pop up often. So, should you use it? If you want to make a few extra bucks during downtime, yes, definitely. But if you're expecting full-time income, keep dreaming or try something else. Let me know how much you've made with Survey Junkie. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.